If your idea of innovation is more than just a buzzword, and your expertise in SAP IBP is your superpower, then you belong with us. Hybrid work, dynamic team, real impact. We're not just another recruiter, we're your long-term career partner. Right now, we're looking for experienced SAP integrated business planning professionals in Pune to help us transform how businesses plan, forecast, and win. What's in it for you? A truly hybrid work model, meaning you get the best of both worlds, the flexibility to work from home and the energy of our Pune office. You'll collaborate with a dynamic team that values your expertise, your ideas, and your drive to innovate. We need professionals with at least 3 years of hands-on experience in SAP IBP, especially in sales and operations planning. If you know the ins and outs of supply chain planning, demand forecasting, capacity planning, and deployment, plus you're certified in S/4HANA or SAP IBP APO, we want to talk to you. You'll get more than just a job. You'll join a company that invests in your growth, rewards your achievements, and keeps you at the cutting edge of SAP and S/4HANA integration. We believe in tech-driven solutions with a human touch, where your impact goes beyond code and dashboards. So, are you ready to make your mark with a team that's as ambitious as you are? Send your CV to vikrant@iglobal.com and let's create the future of supply chain planning together, where your expertise meets opportunity.